Real quick, a public service announcement for those of you who like to take your cars and get your oil changed at quick lube places. This is the kind of quality you're going to get. I just pulled this off of a Honda. You can see it's an aftermarket filter. Not that I have anything wrong with aftermarket parts, but this is what you're going to get. You're going to get aftermarket stuff. And here's the genuine Honda filter, and you can see the difference just right there. And then you're going to get, if they even change the drain plug washer like you're supposed to on many cars, they're going to put some cheap aftermarket crap. In this case, they put a plastic one. You can see I snapped it off because I can't get the thing off. And compared to the correct aluminum one, and because they use this cheap crap, they had to goop it up with RTV. That's part of it that I had to scrape off. So in any event, this is what you're paying for when you go to these quick lube places. So the choice is yours. You can take it to somebody who knows what they're doing. You can take it to these quick lube places. So hey, hopefully this little public service announcement helped. And as always, if you liked it, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Thanks for watching. Plastic drain plug gaskets. What could possibly go wrong?